Welcome, in front of me is DELL Precision 5520, and in this video I will show you how to enable power saving mode on this laptop. First open the Start menu, from here go to Settings, then select System section, go to Power and Battery, and then select Energy Saver. To enable it, switch the toggle to the right. And you can also decide at which level of the battery you want the power saver to enable automatically. Default value is 30%, but you can either increase or decrease it. And you can choose to lower your screen brightness when you're using energy saver by switching this toggle to the right and disable this feature by switching the toggle to the left. And that's it. That's how you enable the power saving mode on your laptop. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.